Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be opening up an Apple Watch. So this is the Apple Watch SE Space Gray aluminum case. And it's the 44 milliliter. I said milliliter. It's the 44 millimeter. Okay, let's open. So cute. Oh. So it comes in two. So let's open this first. The charger. Doesn't come with a cube to plug it in. Really cute. So here's a button, and I think this is a button also. This is a knob. This is where this goes. Okay. So now we're gonna open this. It's the sport band. Oh. For small and large, I think I'm gonna go for this one. So how do I do this? You just slide it through. There we go. So it comes with these, the wrist, the sports band, the actual Apple Watch, and a charger, but no cube. So you turn it on the side. This one. Let's see how easy this is. You put that in, and then you put this right under. Okay, so I plugged this in on my computer. Then we will see. You just put it right on top. And it just clicks. It's like magnet, so it's pretty nice. Alright, this is a really quick box opening, so I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!